Hello everyone, welcome to my channel So Delicious. In this eve of Ganesh Chaturthi, let's learn how to make fried modaks as well as steamed modaks. So without any further ado, let's start. First, for the fried modaks, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, add salt to taste, add 2 tablespoons of melted hot ghee, give it a mix, let hold shape, then add water accordingly and knead a tight dough. Tight dough in the sense you don't have to add lot of water while kneading the dough. Once the dough is almost ready, you can add 1 tablespoon of melted ghee or oil to it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. Now knead it for a minute and then keep it aside till we are getting ready with the filling. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of white sesame, 1 tablespoon of black sesame and dry roast it for a minute on medium flame. If you want, you can either add white sesame or black sesame, or else you can totally skip it. So this has roasted up. I'm going to take it out in a plate. In a same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let the ghee heat. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut. Stir this coconut for 2 minutes on medium flame or until it slightly changes its color to golden. Now add jaggery. I'm going to leave it up to you. You can add according to your sweetness, but if you ask me, I've added 5 tablespoons of jaggery to it. Now let the jaggery melt and get well combined with the coconut. Give it a good mix. The flame is still on medium. Once the mixture is ready, you can then add the dry roasted sesame. And I'm going to add dry fruits which I've roasted in a tablespoon of ghee. Now give this also a good mix. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of rose water. You can extend up to 3 tablespoons for more flavor and essence. So the mixture is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and keep it aside to cool down. Till then, let's move on to make the modak sheets. For that, roll out slightly thick sheets or rotis, the puri size rotis. With the help of jar lid, give it a round shape. Similarly, I'm going to make all of them. You can make up to 20 modak sheets from 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now add the filling and just like I'm showing on the screen, pinch it outwards. Continue till the end and then lift it in your hand. Now combine it together and rotate it outwards. I'll show you one more way, but for now rotate it outwards. If you want, you can take the peak part and give it a modak shape. So the first modak is ready. Similarly, add the filling, pinch it outwards, take it in your hand, combine together and now rotate it towards you, that is inwards. So this is easier. I have made all the modaks. Now on a medium hot oil, drop one by one modaks to it. Do not overcrowd the vessel, 5 to 6 at a time. Make sure you cook the top or the peak part properly because you have a lot of dough part over there. So you have to make sure that it is cooked from inside. And for the bottom part, you don't have to cook for more than 3 or 4 minutes. Let the modaks turn golden and then take it out. Similarly, I'm going to fry rest of them. So we are done with the fried modaks. Now for the steamed modak, I am taking 1 cup of soaked rice. The rice was soaked in water for 2 hours. You can use any rice, but soak it for 2 hours. Then add 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Then add salt to taste. You can add up to 1/4 cup of water if needed and blend it to kind of grainy texture. Not a smooth paste. In pulse mode, you can see there is small rice granules I can see. Do not blend it to smooth consistency. Just see on the screen how it looks. Now in a vessel, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil, then transfer this batter to it. Now on low to medium heat, stir it. In 2 to 3 minutes, it will start thickening up. You can see it has almost started leaving the pan. You have to cook till it leaves the pan from every side. You can now see it has started leaving the pan. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Now same way how I made the fried modaks, or the way I shaped the fried modaks, same way I'm going to make the steamed modaks too. In fact, shaping a steamed modak is much easier than shaping a dough for fried modaks. So I'm going to shape it and make all of the modaks. So these are ready. Now in a idli steamer or any steamer you have, keep these modaks and steam it for 20 minutes on medium to high flame. Cover it with the lid. So this crunchy from outside and completely filled from inside fried modaks are ready to serve. I'll show you how crispy it has turned. Also it has cooked perfectly from inside. You can see. I've filled around 1 tablespoon of mixture. Similarly, the soft and delicious steamed modaks also are ready to serve. So do give this recipe a try, and if you do not forget to tell me in the comment sections. Also, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye.